We'll go through question 37 from summer 25, paper 1-4, an organic chemistry question which involves some calculation. We have citric acid with the formula given here. This citric acid has different functional groups. We have 1 carboxylic acid, 2 carboxylic acid, 3 carboxylic acid functional groups, and 1 alcohol. Right, this is alcohol. This is carboxylic acid, carboxylic acid, carboxylic acid. Let's look at the first statement. The juice of 1 lemon reacts completely with 120 centimeter cube of 0.5 molar sodium carbonate solution. Sodium carbonate will react with only carboxylic acid and not alcohol. Right, so this amount of sodium carbonate will only react with these 3 functional groups in citric acid, the 3 carboxylic acid functional groups. Here wrote that no sodium carbonate is left unreacted. So all this sodium carbonate fully reacted with the citric acid. So what will be the amount of citric acid in 1 lemon, assuming that it is the only acid in the sample? 1 carboxylic acid functional group reacts with sodium carbonate will form a sodium carboxylate compound and also carbon dioxide and water. If I balance the equation, I will realize that I need 2 moles of carboxylic acid to react with 1 mole of sodium carbonate. And at the end, I get 2 moles of the organic product. So from this equation, I know 2 moles of COOH will react with 1 mole of sodium carbonate. In 1 citric acid, we have 3 COOH functional group. So I have 3 moles of COOH in 1 mole of citric acid. So 1 mole citric acid will react with 3/2 mole of sodium carbonate. In this question, we are given the volume and also the concentration of sodium carbonate solution. We can find the number of mole of sodium carbonate used in the reaction. CvO1000 is the formula. So this gives us 0.06 mole of sodium carbonate. If 1 mole of citric acid will need 3/2 moles of sodium carbonate, but I only use 0.06 mole in this reaction, so I will be able to find what is the number of mole of citric acid in the lemon, which is by dividing the number of mole of sodium carbonate used by number of mole of sodium carbonate that will be used to react with 1 mole of citric acid. The answer is 0.04 mole, which is B.